Okay, so Outlet groups, again, if you're somebody who you work on several rather projects or you work in different teams, and you find, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting to forward this information. I want to make sure that everyone that needs to access rather this email or this calendar item is seeing it in their inbox as well, without me having to go through the hassle of forwarding to seeing whoever needs to be involved. Groups are a great way for you to enhance collaboration in your team. So again, I'm going to share my screen. And groups are going to be located just above that to-do on your left-hand taskbar. Here you can see that I've actually already created a few groups to show you guys as an example. And just to show you how it looks like when you actually create a group, this is the centralized inbox. So any emails that come to the webinar group address, everyone in that group is going to receive them. Here I've added a file to show you how that would look like on your screen. Events, we have an Outlook webinar, clearly we're all on it, but anyone in the group can see it and gets reminded about it, which is really helpful. And then here's where you can rather add members, remove members. On the left-hand corner here, you can edit the group. You can even customize the logo or have fun with it in that regard. But again, this is what it'll look like when you've established a group. To create a new group, you're going to scroll back up here to the left-hand corner. And say I want to create a group for a charity event. This is just an example, and it has the domain go to your organization. And here too, I want to draw your attention to here are the privacy settings. I encourage you to keep it as private. That means that only the people invited can access the files. If your files really aren't confidential, you can edit your privacy settings to make it public. But again, I encourage you not to run the risk and just to add people who need to see the files and the emails and the groups as you need. But I'm gonna add my boss. I can also add any other coworkers or what have you. I select add. And now that group is created, appears here. And again, I can edit it. I can select a custom logo. I can put a description. And it just, again, streamlines that collaboration. So you're not forwarding the same things to the same people. So again, I'd encourage you, if you have certain groups that you already have at work or projects that you're working on, and you're just sick of the forwarding, sick of the CCing, sick of keeping track of calendar items and tasks, utilize groups and see if they help you keep everything in a centralized place.